how to turn off green dot on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you seeing green dot on the top right of your phone? That means that your phone is using camera. So if you swipe down your notification bar from the right side and access the control center, you can see camera and system on the very top. If you tap on it, you can see that the green icon is for camera. So you'll have to close your camera. Well, closing the camera is a quick way to stop the green dot from appearing. However, to change the settings, head over to your settings app and then scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Then scroll down again and you'll find camera. Now you can see the apps that use a camera. So if you want to deny the access to your camera, then you just have to toggle it off. So this way the apps won't get access to your camera and your camera will not automatically open. That's it. This is how you turn off green dot on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.